So our process with a bathroom remodel, our first visit, you'll have a gentleman like me come out. We'll talk through all these options. We'll look at different color options, just explore kind of like I said, we really try to build your dream bath remodel. And then when folks do decide to move forward, the next thing that happens is what we call the PPM, the pre-production meeting. And that's really the remeasure. So I measure for price. Your actual remeasure tech will be out, usually for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes to remeasure. You don't want me ordering your product. You want an actual remeasure tech to order your product because we want it precise. He comes out, he orders your product, he measures your bathroom, he remeasures, and then we go back and we order your product. Then we're waiting for Onyx to build your bathroom. Usually the process from the day I visit to installation is 8 to 9 weeks. Depending on the size of your bathroom remodel, it could take anywhere from a day and a half to up to 5 business days for us to complete your bathroom remodel.